This video will show you how to install Scratch. Let's start.
On Windows 10, open your browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser here and type Scratch. Press Enter. Here's Scratch official website, scratch.mit.edu. Click on it. Scratch official website will open. Now we'll search for the download link. Scroll down. You'll find it at the end of the page. Here is the download link. Click on it to download. You'll find the download link in the description below. Choose your operating system. My operating system is Windows. Write me in the comments below which operating system you're using. If you want me to help you with this step or need further assistance, leave a message in the comments below and I'll reply to you. Click on Direct Download. Now it's downloading Scratch. Just wait for a few seconds. The execution file is now downloaded. Now let us double-click on it to install it. Here are the installation options. You can select any of the options. You can select only for me to be installed only for your user. On this computer, I will choose anyone who uses this computer option. Click on Install. Now Scratch is being installed on your computer. Wait for a few seconds till it completes the installation process. Setup is now complete. And check Run Scratch 3. Then click on Finish. Scratch is now installed on your computer. It created an extra shortcut on your desktop to run. Or you can go to Start and type Scratch. And from here you can click on Open. Scratch is now loading and creating a new project. Now you can use Scratch to create games, animation, and storytelling. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video to join our amazing community and never miss out on the fun to learn.